You know how it feels when you stumble upon those gurus on the internet who are always bragging about their secret recipe to rake in thousands of dollars in affiliate commission?
Why does what I'm doing even matter?
Yeah, I know the feeling. It's pretty frustrating. In this video, I'm going to share you their secret recipe, how they're raking in thousands of dollars in affiliate commission. I'll show you step by step, making it easy to understand so that you can start earning a lot of money in quickly. It's a game changer. We're talking about potentially earning up to $100,000 per month in affiliate commission. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive in. All I ask you to do is watch this video to the end. You got nothing to lose, a whole lot to gain. And if you learned something new, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. So the secret method that gurus are using it to rank in thousands of dollars every month in affiliate commissions involve 3 steps. The first step is choosing a profitable niche. Second one is how to choose affiliate program within that niche. And the third one is how to promote it. Don't worry, all of these methods are pretty straightforward. I'm going to show you step by step how to use it. So watch the video till the end. Now the first step is choosing a niche. Pretty simple. If you have a niche, great. If you don't, you head down to Google and type in profitable niches in 2023. And Google's going to give you a big list. You can go down the list of all these different blogs. Affiliate marketers have it talking about, 13 most profitable niche, 5 most profitable niche, 21 most profitable niche. Whatever niche you're interested in, see if they are in the list. If they are, great. Or pick a niche from the list which is most profitable. Once you get the profitable niche, step 2, what I do is I head over again to Google and type in Capterra. It's a website that has a list of all the different companies who are using the software for different programs such as CRM, email marketing, accounting software, as you can see, retail management system software. And you pick the niche, you pick the program, popular software within that niche, and see if that program follows the condition that I'm going to teach you in order for this method to work. So for the video purpose, I'm going to choose the CRM software. And when you click on that, you will have a list of different software that, tons and tons of software that are in the CRM, such as Zoho, Pipedrive, Salesforce, and on and on. Now, in order for this method to work, there are a couple of things that you have to follow it in order for this method to work. The first one is the company that you're going to pick has to be a mid to a smaller, company. It doesn't have to be these popular brands or popular company or a big size company that you want to promote. So that's the first thing. The second thing is these affiliate programs for these companies. Most of the companies these days have affiliate programs, but these companies' affiliate programs should be on these affiliate platforms such as the Clickbank and ShareSale, and there are a couple of other ones out there. So they shouldn't be part of that platform. The third thing that's going to involve a little bit of research on our behalf part is finding out the terms and condition of this company that you want to promote. Their terms and condition as an affiliate program, and the terms and conditions should involve do they have what restrictions they have. They shouldn't have any restriction in terms of branding, promoting their software, their program, and we can use their branding keywords. So let's dive in and start going through these companies one by one and see which one we picked for this video. Now this will involve a little bit of work from your behalf, so let's start and see how it goes. any restriction in promoting their program in terms of their branded keywords, which is Zoho, right? Or any, anything related with the Zoho. And if you can't find it here, you want to make sure that you're okay with it. All you gotta do is email there and just ask them about their affiliate program in terms of promoting it. Can you promote it with using their branded keywords or any variation of their branded keywords while promoting it? And once you get the answer, yes, and it's pretty good. And we can also double check to see if anybody else is running Google Ads right now to this program. And see, nobody is. So it's pretty free. There's no competition at all. So it makes sense for us to go ahead and apply for this affiliate program and start heading over to next step. But as I said, you want to make sure that you can use their branded keywords for the promotion. And for that, if you can't find it, just email them. Email is right here, affiliate supports. Email them and ask them. And once you get the answer that you're looking for, we move on to the next step, which is promotion. Now, the next step, people might be worried that they need bigger audience, or they have to be a social influence on social media. Not at all. With Google Ads, you don't need audience. There's no audience at all, and you don't have to be influenced. And most importantly, you don't need one of those funnel or use complicated funnel that you need to build in order for you to promote this program. And I'm going to show you how to set up the Google Ads with this program in the step number. competition at all for the ad, so you'll get really low, cost per link, but we can just put 50 cent, right? That doesn't mean that every click is going to be 50 cent. You're willing to pay it up to 50 cent per click when you're bidding on it. And then we go to next. And where you want your campaign to be. We want it on search network, display network. Google display network, I usually check this off, right? And then lines that you do. After that, the next thing you do is descriptions. You already have descriptions here, and see if you want to modify it or you want to add something on. Now this is something new. They have add images. I won't. And your goal is to make your ad from average to good or excellent. The better you are, it gives you better your ads will be. Google will show your ads in there. So once you're done, you go to next. And Google is going to tell you exactly the budget that you wanted. You can have the customized budget or whatever Google recommend you. I suggest we start with this lower budget and see how it is, because the first thing you are in the testing, and once your testing is done, you can always increase the budget. Whatever you're comfortable with, don't go with whatever Google recommend, go with whatever you're comfortable with. So set a custom budget, and you can set whichever budget you want to and go from there. So it tells you how many clicks you can get weekly. You can set up $10, $5. Sometimes I've set it as low as $5, but $10 most I can set. I usually set it up every day and see on the testing how good it is. And once everything is done, your campaign is ready to publish, and you can start running your ad and running it Google traffic to the software that you choose in this step, and start ranking in and start getting those affiliate commissions that everybody else is getting. Is you, why not you start getting those affiliate commissions too? All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Those of you who are watching it, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also like this video so the other people can watch it. See you in the next video. Bye.